Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best Dutch ovens in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Logic Enameled Dutch Oven, the number 1 best-selling Dutch oven on Amazon. This 6-quart enameled option from Logic has over 18,000 5-stars ratings from shoppers. Available in an array of colors that look just as nice in the cabinet as they do on the dining room table. This medium-sized Dutch oven can be used on the stovetop or in the oven. The enamel coating makes cleanup a snap, and it's also chip-resistant to ensure its longevity. One customer raved that theirs lasted a decade before it got even one mark. A shopper said this Dutch oven will become your best friend for life and continued, "Amazing cast iron pot. The quality is superb and the metal is heavy but practical. I used it to bake artisan-style bread a couple times and the results were just as if I had put my bread in a brick oven." 6-quart Dutch oven made of cast iron with chip-resistant porcelain enamel finish. Broil, braise, bake or roast in the oven up to 500° Fahrenheit. Cast iron loop side handles for a safe, secure grip when transporting. Smooth glass surfaces won't react to ingredients. Hand wash only. Number 2. Our second best pick is Calphalon Classic Nonstick Dutch Oven with cover. This non-stick pot is designed to make cleanup a breeze. The non-stick feature ensures you'll never have to scrub stuck-on food, and it's even dishwasher safe. This 5-quart aluminium option can be used on the stovetop or in the oven up to 450° Fahrenheit, along with a tempered glass lid that keeps heat in. It comes with a built-in pour spout and stainless steel handles that are easy to grip. According to reviewers, this is the best Dutch oven in the market according to the most of the customers out there. It is well worth the price. Just the ability to strain pasta directly will save hours. You will like the pouring spout. The tight-fitting glass lid. Handles are very easy to grasp. With arthritis, some handles are difficult to grasp firmly, but not these. An all-around great Dutch oven, very satisfied. Also very easy to clean. Dual-layer non-stick for easy food release and quick cleanup. Convenient measuring marks, pour spouts and straining lids. 3. Durable hard anodized aluminium construction. Tempered glass lid. Oven safe up to 450 Fahrenheit. Eco-friendly for free ceramic non-stick. Number 3. Our third best pick is Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Round Dutch Oven. This pot is an all-around winner but comes with a steep price point. It's big enough to prepare most dishes, but not so large that it is too difficult to move. It has an enamel coating so you can cook anything in it, and like most Dutch ovens, it can be used on the stovetop or in the oven. The knob is either metal or a composite material that's safe to 500 degrees. For more versatility, the knob is removable, so if you need to cook at an even higher temperature, you can buy a replacement metal knob. The Le Creuset exceeded our testers' expectations in terms of heat distribution and retention. The Le Creuset Dutch ovens come in a wide variety of colors to mix and match with anyone's kitchen decor. Like other cast iron pots, this one is heavy. The 5-quart model weighs just over 11 pounds. And it can weigh 20 pounds or more when it's filled with food. Le Creuset cast iron pots are made in France, and if you are looking for a larger size or prefer an oval shape, Le Creuset has those as well. The superior heat distribution and retention of Le Creuset enameled cast iron, and advanced sand-colored interior enamel with even more resistance to wear. A larger composite knob that withstands temperatures up to 500 superscripto Fahrenheit. Colorful, long-lasting exterior enamel that resists chipping and cracking. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Camp Chef Seasoned Cast Iron Camp Oven. Heading for the great outdoors, this camp-style uncoated cast iron Dutch oven has feet to raise it over hot coals, and the flat lid is designed so you can place coals on top for heating on top. The tight-fitting lid keeps moisture in during cooking and can also be used as a griddle. The Dutch oven arrives pre-seasoned, so you can pack it for your trip as soon as it arrives. But the coating will improve with additional seasoning and use. This holds 6 quarts, which is perfect for solo camping trips or cooking for small groups. It's a truly versatile piece of cookware. You can also flip the lid over to use it as a skillet or griddle. While this is oven safe, it might be awkward to use because of the legs. It might work on a gas cooktop, depending on your stove grates, but it is not recommended for an electric or induction cooktop. Yellowstone National Park Commemorative Edition. True seasoned finish cast iron Dutch oven and built-in thermometer notch. Lid with legs can be used as a skillet or griddle. Dutch oven lid lifter included. Lifts the lid and bail. Includes Dutch oven starter booklet with seasoning tips. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Tramontina covered round Dutch oven. If you're not willing to spend a lot for a single piece of cookware, this Dutch oven offers many of the same features at a much lower price point. The large size is great for big families or large roasts or poultry, and the cookware has a durable enamel coating. While this has a metal knob, the cookware is only rated to oven temperatures of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So you won't be able to use it for some of the no-knead bread recipes that require higher temperatures. While this Dutch oven is considerably heavier than some others according to some reviewers, they're pleased with its design and how evenly it distributes heat. We love it. Built so solid and the dishes coming out are so delicious. It holds the heat so well for a long time and it's perfect for cooking traditional Uzbek pilaf. You may order a nice teal color, and it also looks great on the countertop. What we like: affordable, heats evenly, lifetime warranty. What we don't like: only oven safe up to 450 degree Fahrenheit. Very heavy. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.